Okay, so we're at IKEA and we're gonna order some food and we're gonna, that looks really good. I had this the first time. This time I'm gonna get this one right here. So here we are at IKEA. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in IKEA, so I just got some of the food. Actually, the second time I came here, first time I came here, actually my third time, but my second time I asked for this and they said no, it's sold out. And then today I asked for it again and they said no, it's sold out. And then somebody understood and said no, it's over here, and I had to go get another spot for it. So in short, I don't know, it sounds like maybe the chefs don't really know what, they're still being trained. And actually this is really cold and it's really red. And I guess some people want the red meat, so it's maybe that's fine. Then this tastes really old too. These are the potatoes, but you can see that the potatoes, can you hear that? Definitely not fresh. And the meat is cold, so this is not fresh. This is not cold. Let's see if this is cold or warm. That's cold. This tastes like it came out of a can. It tastes like canned food, just tastes like it came out of a supermarket. That's really cold. It's really hard and cold. Anyways. It's really cold. Okay. Anyways, the meat is cold. This is cold. This is manufactured. This is manufactured. This is cold and hard. And I just bought it. So I don't know. And it's like 5:30. So you'd think there'd be like fresher food. I don't know. Anyways. And the Coke is flat. I guess actually when I saw the picture, this looked like it was like boiled. So I was imagining something boiled and like a little bit oily, like maybe with garlic or something that's like from a chef. But yeah, it's not that way at all. Anyways, this is IKEA, and otherwise pretty cool. But it looks like the chefs or the food needs to be revamped. I don't know which. Okay, so IKEA is new to Macau. Just came here quite recently. It's going to be in this area called the Nova. So it's pretty massive. Actually, just trying to get to the food court takes quite a while. But yeah, you got all this furniture. I don't know. I guess people know what IKEA is all about, anyways. But yeah, it looks like they're going to build the whole shopping mall area. So this is just part of it. And there's stairwell down here. Facebook. So I think we can go down directly here. And you can see more of it. So there's going to be big massive mall. So there's stuff up that way, and then this is all the IKEA floor, and then there's going to be more down here. And there's a Starbucks down here, and there's some signs for other places as well. New Johan. So and that's IKEA. So I guess we'll end it right there. I think this is the design for it, so maybe in the future there'll be H&M, Haagen-Dazs, Zegna, all this typical shopping mall stuff. Anyways, but right now it's brand new. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da